Hi traders, I'm here again with short recap of our yesterday's short in ALKS ticker. Let's start with some description of trend lines and lows I have here. Then I will continue with some fundamental analysis of this trade, and in the end I will tell you how to use SPI for, let's say, confirmation of this short. Well, if you look at here, we have a major trend line because we connect points from 2002 and 2008. It's 6 years distance. Look here, it's really crazy. And what's happening? Market will probably stop there. So I'm pretty sure that our profit target has to be above the trend line because that's very strong support. There is also a major low around $1. Okay, if we zoom out from 1995. But as I mentioned before, trend line is very strong support in this case. So our profit target has to be above the trend line. If you look at here from a weekly perspective, we are in a value area, in a big value area. Okay, look here. And this value area has, let's say, edges 23.70 and 7.61. And once the market enters the value area, it has a tendency to go through the value area. So look what happened here. We entered here this value area, and market has a tendency to go through the value area to the opposite edge border here. So look at the price. It's 7. It's below the trend line, below everything. So our profit target is in the safe zone. So that's the reason why I want to take this trade, because from price action analysis, yes, I'm pretty sure that we are in a very nice downtrend. Everybody can see that. Look, from 2019 February till now, we see very nice swings to short side. But be careful, we are very close to trend line. Well, fundamental behind this trade, I'm not able to show you how we measure commercial insiders. As I mentioned in the previous video, they have best information you can ever have. So if they are increasing their short positions in a bear market, you can be 100, not 100, but almost 100% sure that they expect lower prices. So I don't want to break the house rules. So let's work with this sentence. Insiders are increasing their short positions. Okay. So now we will switch to daily chart, and I will show you my entry point. My entry point was, just wait a minute please, here. Not a minute, I have it now. So if you look at here, we have a very nice zone volume profile. Okay, we have one nice value area here. Market didn't want to go into the value area from a daily perspective. Okay, that's one value area. Second value area, very small, is here. And market stopped at the edge of this value area and at the edge of this value area. We have a low volume node. Nobody wanted to trade that price. And it's also very nice retracement level. And look what happened. Market stopped and give me chance to open a short trade. Yes, it might be losing trade. Nobody knows now. But we have insiders, commercials. We see on a volume profile that we have on a weekly chart. We are, let's say, in the middle of a big value area. On daily chart, we see two value areas, and we are at the edge of those two value areas. So very strong support. And if you look at the chart too here, it's very nice support resistance level. It's very easy to see that. Our entry was here. I'll open the window. Entry price was 50.90, profit was 10.79, and stop loss 18.44. Look, profit target is above the trend line. Now I will switch to weekly chart and we will describe this trade if we connect information from the SPI. And look what's really interesting. On the SPI market, as we mentioned before, you see that we did 50% retracement of this short move. Okay. Now we are at the 50%, and there was a point of control in the previous video. We talked about that. So that's very strong support and resistance level. So market will probably go lower, and that's very good because in this trade we expect the market to go lower, okay, to be weak. And in this case, there is some correlation between those two markets, between ALKS and SPI. So we can say if SPI will do some retracement down, this trade will go too, okay, because if you look at here, there was a drop, market dropped. There was a move to the upside, market moved to the upside. Okay, if you compare this move to the upside with this retracement on the SPI, it's very small. This is very big retracement on the SPI. In this ticker, very small. That's the reason why I can say this ticker is very weak. So if we see some retracement, there is a big chance that the market will drop down. So this is the way how you can measure the SPI or use the SPI for analysis of some stock, a US stock. And I wish you good trading and have a nice day and see you tomorrow.